Alright, we've got the Sparco steering wheel. Got this off of a buddy of mine. It's used. We got a new horn ring coming in because this one's beat to shit. And gonna get some new bolts so they're not all nasty looking. But picked that up for a real good deal. Had already had a quick release on it and a race hub for the Razor, so that worked out. We're gonna put those on the Razor. But got a carbon fiber NRG quick release for the WRX, the short hub. It is part number right there. And it also comes with the resistors for the airbags. Make sure you don't have a airbag light on, then some horn wires. We're going to be needing a T30 17mm with a big ratchet. You're going to need a little bitty terminating screwdriver to undo the airbags, and that's really it. I'm just being fancy because I don't like to sit here and ratchet forever and those bolts are long. So we're going to put that in that. Alright, now you got a T30 and these little holes on both sides of the steering wheel, and there's one on the other side. You stick your T30 in there once I can find it.
Day 2.
Alright, so fish around in there for a second and you'll eventually find it. Side. Why is that not wanting to work? Okay, now that the bolts are removed, the steering wheel or the airbag comes out, and this is where that little screwdriver comes into play. You need it here to wiggle those out, and then this has a little bitty tab right there that you gotta do. Bingo bango. Then you can fish your little screws out of here. But that's what I need. Next we're gonna get the 17. Put it on here. Got it. You're gonna loosen this up just a little bit so you get a little bit of wiggle room, and if it all works out correctly, you should be able to hit it a few times, wiggle it, and it's loose. Now make sure that's nice and straight. Alright, right now we're not hooking up the airbag resistors to get them to not have an airbag light right now, or the horn, because I'm waiting on a relocation plate for the cruise control lever that'll mount between right here and the quick release. So whenever that comes in, it'll be coming back apart to do all the wiring so I can keep cruise control and my horn and all that. But right now this is just showing it getting installed. You'll fit these through here, unless I should be able to just unplug them hose. Well, we'll just throw those in here for now. Alright, make sure that your clock spring is straight up and down. There'll be two little pins. Make sure NRG's up. There's a white dot right here that lets you know you got the right spot up. And then you get your bolt back, put it on there, finger tight, good enough, just kidding. Then you get your 17 back out and make sure it's untightened. Yeah. Alright, ain't going nowhere. Now, get this out of the way, and this just put it on back here. Those will be going in the 95 Impreza. That steering wheel will. Cut. We're waiting on that. Oh God, Jesus. Alright, so also new tool. 3mm socket, or Allen head socket, or Allen wrench, whichever one you prefer. Now we just gotta tuck these up in there out of the way. Make sure there's the energy. It's got a little indented dot right there. Might be hard to see, but line those up so you know they're going the right way. Get these all started. Oh no. Oh no. Time lapse. Here comes the fun part of balancing all of this, because you gotta find the little indented dot on this one too, right there. So we're gonna set that in place and hook up the horn. So whenever we go back later to undo it, we don't have to undo the steering wheel. That doesn't work. That's not even the right thing. Well, that's racism. Guess we gotta redo that too. So, disregard. Okay, broken ring. I guess we gotta freaking take it all apart when the new piece comes in anyway. So, does not matter. Ran some sandpaper across these to make them look a little nicer until the new ones come in. Not lined up anymore. There it is. All done. Put together, looking fancy. So now it's time to install it and see if we can get the old ding. Oh, are you serious? It didn't ding for me? Oh, I feel ripped off. All right, I like it. Looks good. Turned out pretty good. I sit pretty far from the thing, so this, if I was sitting, like if my wife was driving, that would probably be pretty close, because that adds a pretty good amount to it. But for me, I'm a little long-legged, but I can reach everything just fine. This actually feels fantastic for me. So